Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to fix your connection is not private this issue. So it is very common issue for Shopify users when any Shopify users add third-party domain with their Shopify store, then they will face this problem. So I hope you already face this problem, and that's why you are going to learn how to fix that. Finally, here is the easy guideline for you. So let's get started. You can see that when I visit this website, it's not secure, and here is the red icon, and we need to fix this issue. Okay, to do this, first you have to go to your Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store. Then click on this three dot icon, edit code, and open layout folder, open theme.liquid file, and scroll down and find out the in tag of header. Look here very carefully. We need to find out this code, int of head tag, and we have to add a code in here. Now your question is that how you will get this code. You will get this code in the description. You will get the code source link in the video description, so check out the description and go to my website. You will easily get this code and copy it and paste it here. Okay, let me show you the process. Here is the code, just copy. No need to learn about that because we are not going to learn any technical coding. You just wanted to fix this issue, so paste it, then click save. Okay, and finally go to my website, reload, wow, it has been fixed. Let me reload again. Wow, we have fixed it. So thank you for your time to watch this video. So I hope you understand everything very clearly. It's so simple for you right now as you have watched the full video. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.